Okay, I'm still at Cameron Lake, but the other end. We got some good shots over here. If you look carefully, I'll zoom in, but we have the railroad tracks. I'm hoping I'm getting it. Railroad tracks that go to Port Alberni. I can't see through this little mini cam, but I'm pretty sure I'm on it. And again, just a beautiful day today. Mountains are just shining, trees are all changing color. Yep, some nice cottage life across the lake here. Be nice to own a piece of land. All on your own. Beautiful day. Cameron Lake, November 1st, Saturday, Vancouver Island, BC, Canada. Loving it. I call it Hawaii of Canada in the winter. Just beautiful. Awesome reflection. All right, signing out.